How to log in to WordPress on Windows. Once you have completed the installation of WordPress, you can log in into your dashboard. The admin section of WordPress, the WordPress Dashboard, is where you will begin building your WordPress site. Please take note that your login credentials are not the same as your cPanel username and password unless you set them up as the same. WordPress Installation URL. If you install WordPress on the root of your domain, your URL to access WordPress would be example.com/wp-admin. WordPress username. This is the username you set up when initially installing WordPress. WordPress password. This is the password you set up when installing WordPress. To log in into your WordPress and access the dashboard, you will need to open your browser. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and password and then click Login. You have now logged in on WordPress on your Windows PC. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.